In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a Google Home smart speaker, allowing you to control your smart home devices, play music, get weather updates, and much more using voice commands. Unbox and plug in. Unbox your Google Home speaker and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for the device to power up, and you should hear a chime indicating it's ready to set up. Download the Google Home app. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Install and open the app. Connect to Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. The app will automatically detect the Google Home speaker. Select it and follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Set up voice match. The app will guide you through setting up voice match, allowing the speaker to recognize your voice and provide personalized responses. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once set up, you can customize your Google Home settings, including adding smart home devices, linking music services, and setting up routines. Explore the app to discover all the features your Google Home can offer. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up a smart speaker with Google Home. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Check my links below. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.